Are you tired of taking rollovers? Are you tired of having to put 30% into your trades just to have more time while you're trading because you're hoping and praying that it's going to go your way in the market? Well, guys, look no further. I'm going to show you exactly how I trade in the market. I don't roll over anymore. I used to when I first started trading, and quite a while actually, when I first started getting into binary options, and let me just tell you, it drains your account very quickly if you continue to roll over hoping it's going to go your way. Now, I'm going to show you what I look for before entering on the trade. So if you're following a strategy called cash trap and there's some arrows that pop up and then it's going to say buy or sell, you don't want to get into it right away. You want to make sure you're looking at the charts, you're understanding where the market is headed or where it could go, potentially go, so that you are patient and you wait for the strike. So guys, Sixo surrounded here with Faster Freedom. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified on the next training, event, or promos that I do to help you guys learn more and to take advantage of what we have to offer. So with that being said, let's dive right in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, right now let's make this video quick to show you guys exactly what I do so that I don't have to roll over. Right now we're looking at the cash trap software, and it's calling out a put opportunity here. It's already 38, 37, 36 seconds left onto this 5-minute candle, and I'm looking to get into a sell opportunity. Now, it's already a bit too late to get into this sell opportunity here. This is what I would have looked for a pullback to happen and come to around 783 to get in on a sell opportunity. But the middle of the Bollinger Band is close to that point. So the market likes to come to the middle of the Bollinger Band or 50 EMA or the top of the Bollinger Band. So what I like to do is drop it down from the 5-minute chart to the 1-minute chart before getting in on a trade opportunity. So right now it called out a new 5-minute candle. It called out a trade opportunity. It is starting to cross down. This could be a nice sell. So let's go ahead and get onto our broker platform. And so I'm going to be using pocket options. We're looking at USD JPY. USD JPY is paying out 76%. Okay, let's bring that up. Hitting the star opens up your window up here. And so it's already starting to come down. So we're going to do a 2-minute. I am looking at the RSI as well. This would have been a nice entry point on this pullback right here. It did come up a bit. So you have to, timing is everything with binary options. I'm going to wait just a bit more. I would like this to pull back just a bit more on this opportunity here before getting in for a sell. I do have 2 minutes already up on the clock. So we're going to go 2 minutes. It looks like, okay, so right now, if we're going back, all right, we have 3 minutes left, 3 minutes and 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. You see that the RSI and stochastic is pointing up. So that's telling me this trade idea, you have to be patient. So you'll see like a pullback happen, and then once the pullback happens, then get in onto a sell opportunity. Now I'm going to drop, you can also, what I like about this, you can drop this down to the 1 minute. So if we look at the 1 minute, hopefully it's not going to freeze up on me. Refresh very quickly. All right, here we go. It's refreshed. And I'm going to click on USD JPY. Going to drop it down to the 1 minute. Okay. So you see that the 1 minute, the stochastic here This indicator's crossing up, so you're not going to get in on a trade right now. So stochastic's crossing up. To get in on a sell opportunity, you want to see the stochastic cross down, all right? So we're just going to be patient here and wait for the opportunity to get in on for a sell, okay? We're not going to get in just yet because remember, we don't want to have to roll over, all right? So our potential entry point could be at 785. 785. If we go to the broker platform, we can see here the 200 EMA line is right there on the broker platform. This aqua line is my 50 EMA that I added. This is the Bollinger Band, all right? So the 200 EMA is right there. So we can potentially see it reaching up to the 200 EMA, and then I will go in for 2 minutes. All right, so you see the stochastic still pointing up. Stochastic is still pointing up. We still have a potential position that we can get into at 790, right around there. Okay, so if it pops up, I see the candle pop up to right around here, I'm going to go in for 2 minutes. 2 minutes sell. Okay. Oof, that was quick. So there's a small wick right here that might have been our position get into. It looks like it's already crossing down. Man, we might have missed that opportunity. It got close, but not quite. It was so close to touching my 200 EMA. So close. I more than likely would have cleared already had I gotten in, when it came up. But that's okay. That's okay. There's always another opportunity to get in on a trade within the market. So no worries. No worries at all. So if it doesn't pop back up to give us that opportunity, don't even worry about it. There's going to be another trade opportunity that's going to come. All right. So, for now, what we can do is we can go back. And the reason why I'm using this software, especially for new people, I'm just showing you how I would use it, especially being brand new. You don't just want to take every arrow that pops up, okay? You don't want to take just every arrow, because it's not 100% accurate. You want to have rules that you're going to stick by. I'm gonna look for another opportunity and see if we can find a trade quickly. Let's see if we can find a trade. Let's see. And USD CHF. USD CHF. One of the things you want to look for is the payout. So USD CHF on the broker is paying out. Okay, USD CHF is OTC right now. So the market for USD CHF is closed right now. Okay. Let's go back to USD JPY. I want to hurry with this opportunity because markets are closing. Okay. We've given us a sell. All right. We got 13 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Here we go. All right. Let's see the pullback. Okay. Our broker, it's giving us a small pullback. You know what? I am going to change this. Change this to area. I know it looks kind of funky. Okay, I am in the trade. I'm in the trade for 2 minutes. All right, I waited for that pullback. Remember what I said. I was gonna wait for that pullback before getting in on the trade. 1 minute would have probably more than likely cleared this as well. But I took 2 minutes. I'm on a 2-minute trade. So by the time this blinking light gets to this time until, actually no, time until expiration. Wait, sorry, no, it's this one right here. Okay, I can get into another purchase. All right, if I do, I have until this line here, but I got in right here, and so from this point to this line is 2 minutes of time. Now it moved. All right, now I have until from this blinking light to this line right here to make a purchase. All right, so we are about to clear 2 minutes, $760 and 2 minutes. Let's go. Not bad for a Friday. Well, all right. So that's how you do it, guys. You saw that I was waiting for a specific price for it to come up to. I didn't have to worry about, oh, do I need a rollover, and the reason why I went in for a 2 minutes was because of the way the market was moving at that time. So sometimes I take a 1 minute, 2 minute, or 3 minutes. I even trade 30 seconds, and that's what I like about pocket options, is that you can drop your trade down to 30 seconds, and that's another strategy. If you guys are wanting to learn how I do that, definitely put it in the comments below, or get me to at least 1,000 likes on this video, and I will be happy to make you a training video on the 30-second strategy. So with that being said, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for your support. Alone is slow, but together it's faster freedom. Take care, guys. God bless.